How's it going, guys? My name is Dustin, aka CropDustin on TikTok and Instagram. Today, I'm going to be teaching you the toss flicks. So there's two small variations on the throw for this one. You can either go to the outside of your arm or to the inside of your arm. To get into this trick, we're going to start out with a forward figure 8 coming from the stall. You're going to do just 2 beats and then throw it from your armpit. So you want to release right around here so that the Flowstar can go along the extension of your arm. And then when you're catching it, you're only catching it for a second, but you want to have palm up and facing away from you so your finger is facing outwards. And the Flowstar is going to fall into this pocket right there. And as it's falling, you're going to take that momentum and move your wrist forward. And then right when it gets to the end, flick upwards to keep that spin going. And the difference between going outward versus inward is basically which direction you're flipping your hand. Either if you're going outward, kind of flick it out towards your elbow, or inward, flick it inward towards your belly button. Outward and inward. And then we'll show you from the other side here. Outward versus inward. And now from this angle, we're going to do outward and we're going to do inward. Outward, inward. So this tutorial was specifically to show you the mechanics of the flick toss move. If you want to find another video that shows you more of the variations to get into the trick and to get out of the trick, definitely check out our next video coming up on that subject. Thank you so much for coming along today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks.